It was like boom, boom, boom.
कितने पैसे हुए? And she said 500.
We're not gonna talk about that.
We are actually. Time she was on the bed and then
Click कर दिया.
आ गए ना ठरकी टाइटल
The
पढ़
rage
के.
bait worked. My name is Ella and I'm a 22-year-old woman of transgender experience.
I'm Vansh Upadhyay. I'm Ella's boyfriend.
And today we're gonna talk about our experiences with, put your headphones on, sex.
Sexual बातें. Bad touch.
As a transgender woman, I think हमारी बहुत specific insecurities होती हैं and it's not the same as कि मुझे मेरा body अच्छी नहीं लगती है. It's like being in a different body. I didn't know कि मैं इसको कैसे समझाऊँ what I'm going through. जो body parts involved होते हैं उस process में, I do not even feel connected to those parts of my body. तो how do I share my body with anyone else? मैं उतने अच्छे से communicate नहीं कर पाई थी, which is why I think you also felt kind of rejected.
Yeah, it just felt कि like what's wrong? Like we are doing everything else. You are this passionate about it, but suddenly now you are not. तो वैसा लगता था कि ये क्या हो रहा है, and I could not actually wrap my head around it.
मतलब I'm not particularly conservative. I wasn't trying to wait. मतलब that wasn't the goal कि I wasn't ready. Which brings me to the really important part, which is communicating. I think we talk.
Yep.
we talked
about it a lot.
Yeah.
Like the first time we were talking about it, हम 2-2.5 घंटा हम बात कर रहे थे and it was like safety, no safety, what happened.
Somehow people have started thinking that talking about it or asking for consent or planning it is very unsexy.
Yeah.
But actually I think that's even more exciting because
because then you both know क्या होने वाला है. It's not if I initiate this will happen. Like,
and I think it takes a little bit of the edge off because on some level now you have a blueprint. You're not figuring out as you go and you actually have less awkward and less unsexy moments after you have the unsexy communication part of it.
You talk in between, you guys laugh, तुम randomly किसी का phone आ जाता है, so both of you stop.
What you don't realize is the sources that you're basing your sex life off of, there is a script given to them. There is a director telling them what to do with lights and perfect body makeup, no scars, no nothing, no stretch marks.
You can initiate, it can go very smooth, but there will be points in between जहाँ पे आप दोनों रुक जाओगे, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा होगा.
I think my biggest culprit is my gassy, my IBS. I think all hot girls have stomach issues.
Yes.
And my second problem is my phone. Like just by the nature of I think our job, we get so many messages, so many calls. There are so many things that I can't offer to a partner in a societal sense. Being with me, somebody will get bullied for it, somebody will get hate comments for it. So I thought ki like at least I will please my partner to the utmost level. और उससे जो भी negative connotations that are associated with me as a person वो cancel out हो जाएगी, which is no way to live life by the way.
एक पार्टी सब कुछ कर रही है, then what are you even doing? The one at the receiver end उनकी responsibility हो जाती है कि you also give back. What is this parasitic behavior भाई?
And you shouldn't be shy about expressing what you need, what you want. This is probably like TMI. When we initially, I think, started being intimate with each other, I had we just couldn't go all the way. At some point, like when we had tried many rounds of trying and it just didn't work for us, I broke down in the middle of it. I was like sobbing. I think I scared you.
Yeah, she just started crying and like, we are in the middle of it and she broke down and I'm like, क्या हो गया? And फूट के रो रही है and she is like, I can't do this, ये नहीं हो रहा मेरे से and I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. And I was like, what are you apologizing for? Like some days I can't, get things the way they should be. I comforted her and हम आधा घंटा 1 घंटा almost.
We had a really long conversation.
Yeah, and I comforted her. उसके बाद she just slept in my arms and guess what happened that night? Everyone has watched those movies on Chrome. ठीक है. So women know and men know कि भाई आदमी एक बार चालू होता है फिर तो वो बुलडोजर की तरह घुजुक है ना. तो it's not like some days वो घुजुक finish, some days घुजुक and you are going on for hours.
That's life. Any sort of penetrative sexual activity, you have to be like relaxed and feel right in the mind. जितनी मैं इंटरनेट पे बकबक करती हूँ, in real life you'd be surprised by how little I actually communicate. I can do all these बड़ी बातें about communication is key, but I think जब ground level पे या जब bedroom level पे बात आती है, I think I'm the worst communicator. You did your part, stepping up and making me feel like there was room to open up. And yeah, just be that safe space for, be that safe space for, be that safe space for your partner.
One take में हुआ है ये, one take में. On a very serious note, you have to give your woman, your partner that comfort, that safe space.
Yeah.
Because the thing is, तुम अभी रोने लगो शायद ये सुन के, but women are like shamed for talking, you know, about their sexual needs in this country. वो पीरियड्स की बात करती हैं तो तुम हा 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 करने लगते हो. सो सेक्सुअल डिजायर्स की बात तो बहुत दूर हो गई. यू नो दिस विल कम एज अ शॉकर, बट women also have sexual needs. What? What?
Yeah, I think it's such a skewed expectation.
Yeah,
Like, sari life, you're gonna be shamed about this, and then one day you're gonna be arranged married to a stranger, and then raat ko you're supposed to know all the tricks and all the moves,
Yeah.
and like,
And the best part about टॉकिंग कि तुम्हें क्या चाहिए और मुझे क्या चाहिए इज दैट तुम दोनों को फिर पता होता है. लाइक इफ योर बेड टाइम इज नॉट अबाउट यू नो कि दोनों को एकदम मजा आ जाए, आज तो क्रेजी हो जाए कुछ, देन व्हाट आर यू इवन डूइंग. तो बाथरूम में अकेले चले जाओ, हाथ तो सबके पास है.
Life is so stressful on its own. Why should pleasure be stressful? This is the one thing that shouldn't be stressful.
Exactly.
Like, is it
So-
okay if I tell the dirty talk?
Yeah.
We were trying to figure out what we like,
Yeah.
and I told him, like, do you want to talk dirty to me?
And everything is going well, you know, like we are creating this scene in which I am some handyman, some
plumber or-
plumber
I
or
don't
something, and I go, फिर तुमने मुझसे पूछा कितने रुपए हुए और मैंने बोला 500.
I remember, like, even in the moment, just like losing our mind because that is such an unnecessary thing to bring.
And बोलने के बाद I was like, why did I say that?
As funny and as awkward that was, we laughed about it and then we went right back at it. Like, this is not a one, you know, you don't have one shot. This isn't
Yeah.
a movie take with a strict director. You can have multiple shots.
I mean, speaking of shots, you can, you know. Don't take it personally if things are not happening. Like, she is entitled to not trust you. वो तुम्हें जानती नहीं थी 2 महीना पहले. Who are you? And for me, it may not be that deep, but for her, she is entitled to her opinion and her values, and it was deep for her.
Yeah.
We have to find a middle way. It's not gonna be कि वंश जैसे चाहता है या एला जैसे चाहती
Yeah, we
है.
have to figure out what works for
कि
both of
बीच
us.
में मिलना है.
You have to understand that, like, हमारे लिए भी it is kind of awkward to open up like this, but we want to help the young people that do watch us and have curiosities like this.
About sex.
You don't have to prove anything. You don't have to compensate for anything. You are a wonderful person, and I think anyone is lucky to have you in your life. So don't always try to, like, you know, overwork yourself or prove yourself or like give everything up because you think कि oh my god प्यार तो मिलेगा ही नहीं, तो जब मिल रहा है तो मैं पूरी ऐसे बिछ ही जाऊँ. Be safe. Don't let anyone pressure you into not using protection. Like, do not fall for the stupid bait excuses that some of these
Yeah.
guys will make up.
एक्चुअली मेरा ना खीरे जितना है तो उस पर चढ़ता नहीं है. शट अप. एंड माई मैसेज टू ऑल द पीपल वॉचिंग, स्पेशली इफ यू आर डेटिंग अ ट्रांस पर्सन, बी पेशेंट. यू नो, तुम्हारे लिए तुम्हारी बॉडी, यू नो, लाइक इट्स नॉर्मल फॉर यू, बट दे हैव fought their bodies since, you know, they were like 2 years old or 5 years old. They are not comfortable. There's a reason, you know, like वो transition कर रहे हैं. Just be patient with them, listen to what they want and be a safe space. अगर तुम हर बार मुंह बना के बैठ जाओगे when they get dysphoric, then you probably shouldn't date, you know, a trans person. Do not take it personally. It's not about you, it's about them.
And if you are, like, genuinely interested in the person, talk it out. Figure out what's not working for you. Give it time and don't rush.
Exactly.
But that's about it for this video. I think we were as honest as we could have been.
Don't forget to like the video, comment what you thought, share it with your friends, subscribe, and don't forget to follow our Insta handles. It's LRD Verma and But Why Once signing off.
Such a YouTuber. तो हेलो गाइस, आज हम आ गए एक नई वीडियो के साथ.
Okay, signing off.